How to embed a Canva design onto your Google Sites website. This tutorial shows you how to make your design appear directly on your site. First, open Canva on your computer and find the design you want to embed, whether it's under Projects or a brand new one. From there, once you're happy with your design, click Share at the top right. After that, scroll all the way down and click More. At this point, click Embed. Following this, you'll see two options. From here, click Copy next to the HTML embed code, which is the first option shown. Once copied, open Google Sites in another tab. At this stage, open the website you want to add your design to. Following this, click on the section of the page where you want the design placed. From here, click Embed. At this stage, click Embed Code. Following this, paste the code you copied from Canva into the field provided. From here, click Next. This will load a preview of your Canva design. At this stage, click Insert to add it to your website. Following this, drag it to reposition it anywhere on the page and resize it however big or small you need. From here, once you're happy with the placement, click Publish. At this stage, preview your live website to make sure everything's displaying correctly. That's how you embed a Canva design onto your Google Sites website. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.